My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Jaguar I-Pace. This vehicle has done just over 22,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen, we can access My EV, Apple and Android CarPlay, Eco Data, Valet Mode, web browser, and in-control apps. We also have navigation, media, and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our heated seats, as well as climate control, and smart climate, which helps to improve the vehicle's range. The I-Pace also comes with 4 different driving modes to choose from. So we have rain, ice and snow, eco mode, comfort, and dynamic. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a black full leather interior and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.